Hey guys, it's Eric with a Head Inc. In today's video, we're going to discuss a recent client who went to a local competitor because they advertised themselves as being cheap, low-budget SMP. Anytime you see someone advertising cheap or low budget SMP or any cosmetic procedure for that matter, you always want to be cautious and really do your due diligence to make sure that just because you're getting a bargain rate, that you're still getting a premium product. In the case of today's client, he went somewhere, they advertised themselves as being cheap SMP. And they were supposed to be permanent, but after about 2 or 3 months, the result had faded so significantly that there was not much of it left. Probably only about 10% was left. So let's go ahead and take a look at him. So as you can see, this client has a faint hairline in place, but the result is very faded out. He did not have any hair, so this is someone that was a high Norwood, probably a Norwood 5 or 6. So after coming to a Head Inc., and he wanted to keep the same basic shape of the hairline in place. He did like that. So that's after treating him here at a Head Inc. You can see it's a much darker result. There he is from another angle. And there's the side-by-side picture. For the side profiles, we did lower the hairline just a notch. And there's the crown. And there is a up-close shot of the hairline. Anytime you're getting a procedure like this done, you want to make sure to, at least if you can't see someone in person, to really see the dots up close. You want to see high definition close-up pictures so you can really get an idea of what those dots are going to look like. So again, you have to do your research. Make sure that if someone is advertising their services as being cheap or budget, that they know what they're doing. The cost of getting something like this fixed, in terms of financial, in terms of what you're going to put yourself through, laser removal can be very painful. It is costly. You don't want to do it that way. You want to start off doing it the right way first. So if that means that you need to save a little bit more to go to a provider that you know is going to do a good job, it's always worth doing that in the end. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.